So here we are today at the JCB booth at the Cologne Hardware Show. The Cologne Hardware Show is a biannual show and has been running for many, many years. Its target audience are the world's leading resellers and retailers, and really aimed at the professional users and the ranges that we would supply to them. This is really a forum now for all of the professional resellers and retailers from around the world to come and see the tool industry at its finest. So here at the show today we also have some new launches. These are new innovative products and they're really aimed at the more industrial user. We have 3 space heaters we're launching today, aimed at heating the small workshop, the industrial site. These are 20, 40 and 60 kilowatts and really going to capture about 80% of the market need. We then have 2 high output pressure washers and offer a very, very high performance at a very strong benchmarked price. The engine on here, they're all replaceable and they are benchmarked against the Honda GX20, which is one of the benchmark engines that the trade user would understand and rely upon. These have been tested by the JCB engine division, put through the tests and have come out with their approvals. A further launch today would be the pumps. We have 3 in the range. So again, these are all very high performing, high output pumps. We're also launching at the show today 2 generators. A lot of interest in this during the show. Very solid frame, aimed at the agricultural, the construction markets. So another launch today at the show are 2 wood chipper models. These also have had a lot of interest due to the energy crisis. The brand and the connection with the product has been superb. The quality of the product, the performance has really resonated with the user. It is an opportunity to show our innovation. It's an opportunity to engage with our leading targeted customers, as well as potentially meet new global distributors for the markets that we are looking to move into with our ranges.